Hello everyone, I'm Vikramaditya and welcome to SOFTECH. In this session, I'm going to discuss about a very important concept of SAP careers or SAP jobs. Now, if you are about to get into SAP world for jobs, this is one of the best career in the world. Having said that, at the initial stage, you are going to have challenges. There are certain things that you have to be good in, and you should have a proper roadmap of how and what has to be done in what direction, and it's not that tough as the toughest exams or interviews. It's not that tough, but at the same time, people take it for granted that that would be a very easy. No, you need to focus on it and have a very good knowledge on the SAP basics on any module. And you can consult us on which module is suitable for you. We can train you, and we can also help you in getting placements as well. So if at all, let's say for example, if you are from the BTech background or Bachelor of Technology or Bachelor of Engineering, the best one would be to go ahead with the technical modules like the SAP ABAP, SAP UI5 Fiori, and SAP CPI, which happens to be the cloud platform integration. If at all, if you don't like coding, but you still want to get into technical, there are some modules like that where you can just have the drag and drop facilities with which you can build the applications. So this is what we can have, and let's connect back to us, and let us help you in getting a good career in SAP. Thank you and have a great day. Looking forward to meet you soon.